This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders YouTube channel. My name is Kusu Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python program. The program is swap two numbers. Swap two numbers. In this program, we are writing the different methods. The first method is swap two numbers. Swap two numbers using temporary variable. Using temporary variable. One method is swapping of two numbers using temporary variable. This is first method. And the second method is same way we are using second method. Second method is swap two numbers, swap two numbers, swap two numbers without using temporary variable. And the third method that is only for Python, it is possible only in Python, shorthand method. Shorthand method. Without using temporary variable and without using the temporary variable, you are using only one line, but not the 3 lines program. Shorthand method for Python. Shorthand method for Python. Swap two numbers. Swap two numbers. Swap two numbers. Now let's move to the first method. First method is the method one. Method one is swap two numbers. Swap two numbers using temporary variable. Using temporary variable. Using temporary variable. How to swap? Example: the x value equal to 10 and y value equal to 20. These two values are swapping one variable to another variable. For example, this is the value is x and the x value is 10 and this the value is y. After executing all these statements, the x value is 20 and the y value equal to 10 by using these two statements. By using these statements, we are using one temporary variable. Temporary equal to x and the x equal to y and y equal to x is the variable. In using temporary variable, we are using one third variable. Third variable name is temporary variable. How to interchange these two values? We are explaining. First value. Now, before swapping, print the values. Before swapping, x value is, for example, x value equal to x, and print of before swapping y value equal to y, and after swapping print the x value and y value after swapping print x and y values. Before swapping, x and y values are 10 and 20. After swapping, x value is 10, 20 and the y value is 10. Now executing these two statements, three statements. Now here the x value and y value and another variable is a temporary variable, right? Now the first statement is x value is 10 and the second statement is to assign the y value equal to 20. And the third statement, print the before swapping, it is the output statement completely. Print this statement is before swapping. Now here x value, the print of x value is 10. Okay, the output is clear, 10. And the next statement, print of y value, the y value equal to 20. Okay, clear. And the next statement is this is a logic statement. Assign x value to 10. What is the x value? 10. 10 to temporary variable. Assign x value to temp. X value is 10. This 10 value is assigned to temp. Okay. The next statement, y value. The y value is assigned to x. What is the y value? Y value is 20. The 20 is assigned to x. Clear. The next statement, x value is assigned to y. X value is assigned to y, and automatically the x value is here. Here this is the temporary variable. This is called as a temp. Here we are writing temp, not x. Temp value. Here temp value is assigned to the temporary variable value is assigned to y. Here the temporary variable is 10. The 10 is assigned to y. After swapping, the x value equal to 20 and the y value equal to 10. Clear up to here, all of you? Now run this module and go to run and check it. The output is there like this. Okay. Before swapping, x value 10 and the y value equal to 20. After swapping, x value 20 and the y value equal to 10. And writing these three statements, we are using without using temporary variable. That is the second method. The second method is without using temporary variable. And the second method is the first method using temporary variable, and the second method is without using temporary variable. Now run this module without using temporary variable. This is the second method. The second method, okay, swap two numbers without temporary variable. Without temporary variable. Right here, x value 10, and no need of temporary variable. Without temporary variable. Now, what is the logic of this program? Without using temporary variable. Now here logic is using three statements: x equal to x plus y, logic, and the y equal to x minus y, and x equal to x minus y. Now run explain these three statements. Now here the x value is 10 and the y value equal to 20. Initial value, first value 10 and the y value equal to 20. And before swapping, print 10, okay, 10, and before swapping, print 20, okay, clear. Next one here, run this module, x plus y value is assigned to x. X plus y, x value 10, y value 20. 10 plus 20, 30. The 30 value is assigned to x. Now here the x value equal to 30. Again the next x minus y. Now recent x value is 30. 30 minus 20. The value is 10. The 10 value is assigned to y. Now here the 10 value. Again the next value. The recent x value 30, the recent y value is 10. 30 minus 10, 20. The 20 is assigned to x without using any temporary variable after execution of these three statements. Now the x value is 20 and the y value is 10. Execute this program first. Now run this module without using temporary variable x value, without using temporary variable before swapping x value 10, y value 20. After swapping x value 20 and the y value 10. This is the program with using temporary variable and without using temporary variable. Up to here clear, guys, all of you. This is the method 2. And third method, you are writing a third method, that is a shorthand method. The shorthand method, that is a third method. Third method is shorthand method. It is possible only in Python. Shorthand method, only for shorthand method. Shorthand method, this is possible only in Python. Only Python. Without using shorthand method, that is only one line. Only one line, swap two values. Only one line, swap two numbers. Swap two numbers. Swap two numbers. Don't need of three lines. Here we are using three lines. Now the three statements. No need of these three statements. We are using only one line. That is called as a shorthand method. X comma y equal to y comma x. That means to assign the multiple values, multiple statement. Now here the basically the x value is 10 and the y value equal to 20. Oh here x value is 10, y value is 20. Before swapping, print x value 10 and before swapping, print y value 20. Here the logic is y value is assigned to x, and the x value is assigned to y. Very important point. X comma y, the single statement, only one statement, only one line. Interchanging these two values, y value is assigned to x and the x value is assigned to y. After execution, these, now the value of the x value is 20 and the value of y value is 10. Execution. That is clear part. Clear all of you. Now run this module. Now run one. Now the same answer will be executed. Okay, clear? For example, x value equal to 88. Change the numbers. And the y value equal to 99. Y value equal to 99. Here the x value is 88 and the y value is 99. So before swapping the output statement, the x value is 88, the y value is 99. Print the values. After swapping, one statement, this is a single statement. Y value is assigned to x. What is the y value? 99. That is assigned to x. Only one statement, only single line. X value is assigned to y. X value is 88. That is assigned to y. After swapping, x value 99. The y value 88. Guys, up to here, clear all of you, right? Now run this module. Okay. After swapping, before swapping, x value 88, y value 99. After swapping x value 99, y value is 88. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe KKR YouTube channel, KKR Coders YouTube channel for more videos. YouTube channel for Python tutorials, more videos. Thanks for watching this video.